Are you looking for a quality microphone that you can take anywhere for your business or on the go, but at an affordable price? Then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Jay and welcome to my channel. We talk all about business tools, tips, and strategies so you can boss up your business, have fun, and live the life you desire. If that sounds like something of interest to you, then consider becoming a part of the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you can be informed when videos like this and others are uploaded. So let's dive in. Go ahead and do an unboxing on this Minoa lavalier mic. Video that drives technology. You can use it for your video shooting, for presentations, for selfies, for videos, and for interviews. It's also great for your smartphone, for your DSLR, for your camcorder, or for your PC. The reason why I chose this brand is because I have a selfie stick tripod and I absolutely love it. I've had it for years now and it's very good quality and a great price. So that's why I chose this brand, because the price is nice and I know that I have something quality from them. So let's go ahead and open it up. First of all, it came really quick shipping, which is what I always love. Nicely packaged, as we can see. All right. I'm going to go ahead and open, show you what comes with it. So you have an extra battery that they give you, or maybe the battery, let's see. The microphone head. This is the microphone. This is the on-off you can control. This is so you can plug into your DSLR. And let's see what else. And it looks like a hook. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Oh, something else that it comes with. It looks like it's a very long cord, but also inside they give you a carrying case, which is a great tool. I like that. Also comes with instructions. Which is awesome. It shows you how to insert the battery, to unscrew it, and all of that information. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start peeling off the layers so we can try this mic out. Okay, so I see that the DSLR goes here, but it's also one that you can put in your computer, or also you can use for your phone or laptop. This is the DSLR port. Okay. For the microphone. And this is the cover for the microphone. Like, it's pretty big. Okay. And then this is the clip. This is a clip, so I'm going to go ahead and clip it on. It looks like it goes right around. I'm going to just put it right here. There we go. So you can attach it right underneath it. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and snap it on so we can see how this works. So this is everything that comes in your box. Besides the bag, they even give you an extra microphone cover, an extra battery. I love these extra details. They go above and beyond. What I would do is put this cord, this long cord, inside my shirt or my dress so you wouldn't be able to see this normally, okay? This is the, okay, so it says on and off switch, and it's a little clip that you can clip onto yourself as well. Okay, so all you do is turn it, and the battery is here. Now, clearly, this is a battery that is already in, and then they gave you an extra battery. All you have to do is twist it back on. Very simple. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the mic. So the mic that I'm using right now is just a Bluetooth, well, not Bluetooth, a headset, because I'm outside and I didn't want to just use the computer mic just in case of the background noises. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the one that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and also see if I can use this in the house and see if I can see a difference. And then I'll just give you a quick review on my thoughts on how this actually works. So if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And question of the day, are you interested in getting a mic like this as well? I'll also make sure I put the description and the link to this in the description box below. So I am here back at my battle station, and I needed to come home because I really could not tell the difference in the audio outside because of all of the noises. So I'm here at my computer. I have my lavalier mic attached to my shirt, and I am speaking through the audio. I will be removing the audio from my computer so we can tell the difference. Okay, I'm going to remove it right now. So this is the audio on my computer, and my computer audio has been really tripping lately. It's been sounding terrible, so I wanted to get a mic, and also for when I'm outside. So let's go ahead and put it back in and see if we can tell the difference. All right, so I'm hoping that there's a difference with that. Can you tell the difference? What I'm going to do is cut right here so I can listen to using this microphone with it plugged into my computer and with it removed from my computer, and then I'm going to come back in one moment. So to me, it sounds a big difference. It sounds like it's more robust. It doesn't sound like I'm so far away, and I like the difference in the tone. So I do like this mic, okay, already. One thing I will tell you is when you're using your battery compartment, that's what they call this, there's an on and an off switch. If you're using your smartphone, you need to keep it off. If you're using a DSLR or using a computer, PC, which is the same thing, or you're using it for your camcorder or anything like that, you do want to cut it on, okay? That's going to be the difference. Another thing that I noticed is that I don't see a audio dial so that I can turn up or down. So I'm assuming you just have to regulate that with whatever device you're using, whether it's a PC, your laptop, or your camera or your phone. So far, I'm really liking this mic. I would recommend this mic for any business regarding online business, whether you do YouTube, Facebook lives, any, Instagram lives, any online business, whether you're using it for Zoom, StreamYard, or you're doing presentations. I think this mic would be great. The bonus is that it's inexpensive, it has great quality, and you can take it anywhere. You can go outside, you can travel with it. It's very light, and it does work very well. So I think this would be a great tool in your arsenal for a business, and I'm excited that I purchased it. I will definitely put the link down below, so if you like to get one yourself. Question of the day, are you ready to get your lavalier mic? Well, if so, I will make sure I put the description in the link below. So if you enjoyed this video, you may consider watching some of my other videos regarding tools and technology for your business. So as always, laugh, love, live life to the fullest, and don't forget to live your passion. So this is a 1 month update of me using my mic. And I mean, I've been using it consistently. I am loving it. I love this mic. Let me tell you something. If you are a traveler and you do a lot of videos while you're out and about, I don't care if you're going to the beach. I don't care if you're going to, you do a lot of things in your city, in your town, and you want to take recordings and you want to have clear quality audio. Okay, let me show you. I am right near the road. Do you see all these cars and motorcycles riding by? I mean, they are making a lot of noise. You cannot even hear it on this mic. It has like a noise canceling effect to the mic, That's how great this is. You know, if you do vlogs, if you are someone who do YouTube channels, this is a great mic for you to have, because ladies, let me tell you, you can put this in your purse. Not only your purse, your clutch. Hello, baby, let me tell you something. The fact that I can put this in my clutch on top of everything else when I'm out and about is utterly amazing, okay? So this is for you if you have a home-based business, or you have a business and you're just starting out and you want a quality mic, but you don't want to break the bank at the time recording this. This is about $20. I mean, you can, if you do presentations, if you do Facebook Lives, YouTube, you know, any type of presentations at home, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great mic to have, because it's great indoors as well as outdoors. I'm so glad that I purchased this mic, and literally when I'm out about, I make sure I keep it with me. Another thing is, I don't know if you can tell, let me show you. I have it in my shirt. I'm gonna give you a little cleavage, but it's right here. I love the fact that I can conceal it, and I do have the cord actually in my shirt. Hold on. I have the cord in my shirt, and then the other part is out, so I'm holding it, okay? So that's in my shirt, so you can't tell as you're watching. You can't tell. People do not even know I have it on, and I love the fact that I can conceal it. So if you are, let's say if you're doing presentations and you don't want people to see it, you can easily conceal it, and no one would even know that it's there, and you still get the high quality audio. So I'm so glad I purchased this. So I love this mic, and if you'd like to get one, don't forget to hit the link down below. And if you like this video, please feel free to hit the videos that are coming up.